Got the first catfish of the day out here on this very windy and overcast day.
Yeah, but really, just to let you know, this is the best time to fish for catfish.
Alright, throw him back.
Goodbye.
Got Evie with us today. As you can see, she's fishing hard. Got something on, bud?
Sure.
Fighting?
Sure.
Is it a log? Where's it at? Where's it at? Look, y'all tangled up. Is it fighting or no? That is a huge crab. Holy cow. How did you even manage that?
I felt it bumping.
That sucker is all kind of turned up. Watch out. Oh, that's hilarious. Hold on.
Dad, I told you I was feeling bumps.
Oh,
And he said I couldn't leave it alone for 2 seconds. Well, who caught the biggest crab of the day?
That is a big old crab.
I knew I felt something.
Yeah. Trey caught his new PB. PB blue crab. On a rod and reel. Yeah.
We've done it every time we've caught a crab.